Hi folks, Rick Berube here, just back from the convention, the National Convention for Berkshire Hathaway Home Services from Las Vegas. We just had a couple hours brainstorm session here. So what we're going to do is let's go around and what did you learn and what are you going to implement? Give us two things. And give me your name first, please.
I'm David Van Drill out of North Scottsdale, and listening to Rick today, I'm going to start doing more weekly videos. And the first video I'm going to do is on his new book, Success is Selling.
Had to do that.
And the second thing I want to do is increase my LinkedIn account by 1,200 new LinkedIn members in the next 30 days.
Nice. All right.
I'm Agent Crumpy, and I just got back from the convention as well, where I won a brand new GoPro.
Woo!
7 in silver, so I'm getting ready to do some Insta, IGTV videos, and Facebook videos to become the digital mayor of my community. Yay!
Awesome. Love it.
Hi, I'm Georgia Levine, and I am going to improve on my tools that Berkshire Hathaway has been so wonderful at providing to me, and I am also going to do my weekly videos.
Nice.
Hi, my name is Marie Rose Diaz from Camelback, and I'll be doing video and social media.
Nice.
I'm Nelsa Montalvo, and I'm going to try to do my very first video. This is my first introduction, and I'm going to embrace that and just try to implement that into my marketing plan.
Nice.
Way to go!
Yeah.
I am Glenda Rosado, and I need to be doing more scripts, rehearsing more scripts, and getting more confident in my videos.
Awesome.
I'm Alex Morgan, and I'm going to be working on my scripts, my listing presentation, and then I'm going to go live twice a week, so make sure you follow me, Alex the Homegirl.
Alice the Homegirl. Okay. And so the great thing is everybody here, you guys all have the face for video, not the face for radio. So all right, guys, thank you. Woo!